Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel Idea Technology. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to install eSign on iOS 16 to 18 without a jailbreak or computer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first step you go to Safari and then you go to this website. Okay, for this link I will put in description. Okay, after you go to the website, you click on DNS for eSign. Click it and then you click allow. Okay, and then you click close. After that you go back to setting. You will see the profile on the top. If you don't see, you scroll down a little bit, click on general, and then scroll down, click on VPN and device management, and you will see profile. Okay, this time if it don't see, okay, don't worry, you go back to the website again and click on DNS eSign again. Okay, click allow. I click close. Okay, I go back to setting, click on device management again. Okay, you will see profile. Okay, then you click on it, click install, and then you will type passcode lock screen, your passcode lock screen. Okay, I type my passcode lock screen, and then click install, and click done. Okay, after that you go back to uh, the website again and click on eSign install. Okay, these three eSign link, if you can try anyone. Okay, now we'll choose on the first eSign. Okay, you click open and it will pop up dialog like this. Okay, you click install and then you go back to the home screen. You will see eSign is installing. Okay, now we wait. Boom. Okay, now it installed, but when you open it, it cannot. So we go to setting and we click on device management. We click on our record eSign there that we install. Okay, click on it and then we click on trust. Okay, now we open eSign again one more time. Okay, and then we click OK, click on agree, and click agree one more. Okay, now eSign is installed, but we cannot use it yet. So we have to import certificate to that eSign. Okay, so we go back to the Safari, go to that website, and we click on eSign certificate. Click on it, and we click download. So it will download success. Okay, now I'm gonna sell that certificate. I'm gonna sell in download. Okay. So now we go back to eSign after download certificate already. Click on the three dot at the right top and then we click import. Okay, now we go to find eSign certificate. Okay, I put it on iCloud Drive, download. Here is eSign cert. Okay, we click on it. Now eSign is import, so we click on eSign, click. Okay, we click on eSign certificate, click unzip. Okay, now we open that folder, and here we click on profile that we installed. Okay, you must know that all of this profile is based on eSign that you install. um, for my previous, I installed eSign average. So for certificate, I will click on average digital, click on it, and then click import certificate. Okay, success. So now we're gonna test it. We will install one app by using IPA. So we go to eSign, test it, click on three dot again. Okay, click on import. Okay, now I'm going to find my IPA file. Okay, here is IPA GBA for iOS. I'm gonna install it. Okay, click on it and then we click import. Okay, right now it import successful. So we click on app at the bottom. Okay, we click on GBA4 and then click on signature. Okay, we click on more setting and we scroll down a little bit and we enable here, we enable this point. remove mobile previous and after sign in. Okay, click on it, and then we click on signature. Okay, now the IPA file is installed, so we click on install. Okay, and then click install again. Now we go back to home screen. We will see the IPA file installed. So now we gonna open it. Okay, click on live. Okay, now it's open. Okay, for this video it has like this. So I hope you guys will make it